Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Yelp today. So, we'll go over the irony of rating Yelp later, but their current price is $32.67, which gives them a market cap of $2.4 billion. Dividend is zero. I don't expect that to change, especially with how they're running right now. Revenue $1 billion, slightly up. Earnings $41 million, slightly down. And they currently have a PE of 92 with a forward PE of 28. Obviously, forward PE of 28 would be amazing if they could get there, but current PE of 92 and trailing 12 months don't really look that much better, so I have questions. Total assets $1.1 billion, total liabilities $316 million, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $755 million. And that is down significantly despite them having a profit, which I'm obviously never a fan of. So overall, and risk factors being, I don't like Yelp, and I don't really know anyone who likes Yelp. And with Google having their own rating thing and Facebook having their own rating thing, and there's Foursquare, I think, and there's many others. Overall, I'm not really sure if a standalone rating thing is really a viable business idea at this point, and so I have questions about the whole business model. It makes sense for Google with Google Maps and everything to like display ratings, and it makes sense for Facebook where people check into things to have ratings, and it makes sense for some other people. But as a standalone thing, I don't think Yelp is really worth it at this point. So that the whole business idea as a whole being not viable, in my opinion, kind of makes this a moot point. But overall, things look pretty decent. Obviously, no dividend is a problem for dividend investors. Growth of 5-ish% is a problem for growth investors. But for a value investor, if they can get to a forward PE of 28, which I'm, not really sure about, these stats would look pretty reasonable. The balance sheet is amazing. Revenue growth is and valuation with a PE of 28 would be pretty decent. So overall, if you were a value investor and if you did believe in Yelp actually having a place in the market, then I think it would be pretty interesting to look into them and maybe wait for the earnings of, last year at this point. So overall, I would say a value investor might be interested, but everyone else probably can't find anything interesting here. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.